Okay, let's do a few examples on expressions, and the directions are telling us find the value of the expressions. So we have 8 times 12 over 2. So first we want to do the multiplication on top. 8 times 12 is, let's multiply. 2 times 8 is 16, carry the 1. 8 times 1 is 8, plus the 1 is 9. So we have 96 over 2. 2 goes into 96 how many times? So we have to divide. 2 goes into 9 how many times? 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down the 6. 2 goes into 16 8 times. So our final answer to this would be 48. Okay, we have 3 cubed minus 15. So first we have to figure out the exponent. 3 cubed, that's like saying 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Now we have 27 minus 15, which will give us 12 as our final answer. Okay, we have 10 to the 4th power over 10 squared. So we basically have to evaluate this. This is like saying 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times. So we have 4 tens multiplied together and separated by 10 squared. We have 2 tens multiplied next to each other. But we don't have to multiply like 10 times 10 by 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. We could just do it easy way. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 zeros. So basically you put a 1 and 4 zeros, and you should get 10,000 on top. And 10 times 10 is we have 1, 2, we have 2 zeros, and we just put a 1 in front, and we have 100. Then we would basically divide, and we would write it out like this. 100 goes into 100 one times, 100 goes into a 0 0 times, and 100 goes into 0 0 times. So our final answer to this question right here is 100. Okay, the directions are telling us evaluate the expressions when the value of the variable is given. So we have 2x plus 18 when x equals 5. So that's basically saying we have to substitute the x for 5. So it's 2 times 5 plus 18 equals. So we do the multiplication first. 2 times 5 is 10, plus the 18 gives us 28. So that is our final answer to that question right there. So that would be definitely our final answer. So now let's move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept. What are we doing here?